This is a review of these LiBa spray bottles, and the reason I bought them is because I do car detailing on the side. And this is a 4 pack of 16-ounce bottles. They are refillable empty spray bottles for cleaning solutions or anything in between, from watering plants. You can use them for anything, but I use them to dilute my chemicals in water, since I do car detailing, and I use some chemicals for the interior of the vehicles, for the seats and all that. These are dual spray function. They're all it has 3 modes: off, full mist, and targeted jet spray. They're leak and clog proof. Um, it has a rust proof plastic spring and precision valve and piston for an easy leak and clog free experience every single time. I give these a 5-star rating. If you're somebody that's looking for some type of uh, spray bottles for any type of detailing, cleaning, you have a cleaning business, you just want them for your personal use at home, for your cleaning solutions, beauty solutions, I highly recommend it. Go ahead and do your own research, check it out, get you a box or a couple of these, and start refilling. Start filling these bottles up with what what you need these bottles to be filled with. Like I said, I use them for car detailing. These work perfectly to dilute my chemicals, and they have been working perfectly. So, yeah, I give them a 5-star rating. Go ahead and check them out. It comes with 4 of them.